Hey guys, it's me Tin, and today I'm going to share with you my rainy day makeup tutorial. So the first thing is that this makeup is just a simple makeup that I always do whenever it's in the rainy season here in the Philippines. So okay, first I'm going to use the concealer, and I am using the True Match Super Blendable Concealer from L'Oreal Paris. It's the new True Match, and I'm just going to like spot conceal first. After I spot conceal, I tend to put on concealer on this side of my nose, over here, and then we're going to put under my eye, like we're going to draw a upside down triangle. Do it, but yeah, let's just draw it out like that. So yep, I'm going to use my expert face brush from Real Techniques, and then I'm just going to dab it in, and then I don't like swipe it that much. I'll just swipe it out if I need to blend it. I'll just go near, and then so we can see it, and then I just blend it out. It looks like it has much, but I don't, like, it doesn't really show that much. So let's just buff it. Just buff, buff, buff. Like, yep. I buff it, like, let's look. It's already done. Yep. I kind of still look dewy. So this is the finished base, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my brows. So I'm using the Etude House Eyebrow Drawing Eyebrow, and I'm just going to brush my hair, to thin my brows. So my brows are usually not the same every single day. I'm not really consistent with the brows, but I'm just going to show you my brows. I just slightly fill it with my eyebrow pencil or eyebrow pen, and then I'm just going to fill some scars. I'm not going to do a super dark brow because I'm just opting for a simple everyday look, and I'm just making sure that I look okay for the day, even though I'm very lazy. It's kind of like a lazy routine. Oh, I got off the frame. I am too focused on my brows, and that's okay. So the brows are the one like longer to take for me, like super long. And then so yeah, I think it's already done. I'm going to brush it again. So there you go. So here is my eyebrows. Let's just fix this one. So yeah, this is my brows, and it's the simple eyebrow that I usually do, but it's not really consistent, but it's okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some blush and a little bit of the bronzer. So I'm just going to dip it there and then take off the excess, and then like I'm just going to put it here so that I can have like a pinkish or like peachy and a little bit brownish look. So after that, I'm going to do my eyes. So it's not gonna be too much. It's just a simple peachy, a bit dark on the crease look, but it's just a simple. So I'm just going to do a crease, a bit dark crease, and a orangey color for the eyes. So I'm going to use the Avon TrueColor eyeshadow quad in Sandy Coral Squad, and I'm going to use the Vanilla Pearly Peach, Sandy Copper, and Chocolate Suede. But I'm just going to use a few colors from here, so I'm just going to use the lighter one. It is Vanilla, this one, and I'm just going to just put it all over my lid, and then even under the eyebrow bone, and even under the brows. Just all over the lid. And I'm using, I used the e.l.f. powder brush a while ago for the blush and bronzer, and now I'm using the Urban Decay Naked 2 brush. I'm just going to put it, I'm just going to put it all over, and then after that I'm going to use Curly Peach. I'm just going to put it a bit on my crease here and then here, so that it can have color. It can have a peachy color in it. So we're not going to put too much of the pearly peach color because we don't want to look, we have too much makeup on. Yeah, so after this is the last one. We blend it out. So I am going to just blend it. I hope you can still see my eyes. So yeah, it's just a simple pearly peach color. And then I'm just going to use the Sandy Copper. I'm just going to put it on the outer lid up to like up to here on the crease, and then yeah, so I'm just going to put it here so that this look is like a look for a day look, and for the evening you can just add the dark shade, the sandy copper, or the same shade as the sandy copper. It's like a glittery light brown, and yeah, just blend it in. So no harsh edges will be seen. And there you go. Then we're just going to add another of the pearly peach, and then we can just blend it. So this is the look, and thank you for watching. And if you like the video, just put a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions, you just comment down below. And this is the look. Thank you guys. Bye.